For this dish, we'll start with 1 kilogram of chicken wings. We separate the drumlet from the mid joint and winglet. Then we season this with 3 teaspoons of salt and cornstarch. The cornstarch will act as a binding agent to hold all the seasoning together on the chicken. Then we add another 1.5 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine and sesame oil. Then finally, we add a half cup of black pepper sauce. Then we mix everything well together until it's all evenly coated. Then we can set that aside to let it marinate. So while our chicken is marinating, we can work on our garlic and onion. Then for our garlic, we simply need a few cloves and we give it a light tap to release the outer sheet. Now once that's all done, we give it a stronger tap to release its flavor. We can set that aside, no chopping is required. Then we move on to onion. We chop off the ends and peel our onion until it's all clean. Then we repeat that with our others. And we transfer our garlic to a smaller container until cooking. So now our onion and potato is rinsed, clean. We can simply give it a cut. We don't want them too small, so we'll split our onion and potato into about 4 pieces. 1-inch size will do. And we transfer the onion to our container and we can work on our potato. So potato, same thing. We don't want it too small because for this stew, we want to see the potato at the end of it. If it's too small, it'll all dissolve. So once the potato is cut, we transfer it into some cool water to soak for about an hour. That will prevent the potato from turning brown. Okay, now everything is ready. We can move on to our cooking. We heat a skillet and add some oil and give it a quick stir and drop our garlic in. So once our garlic starts to brown lightly, then we can add our onion to it as well. So make sure our onion is stirred very well until the flavor is released. Then we can simply take that out and set that aside. Now we can use the same wok and fry our chicken in it. So once the chicken starts to brown lightly in about 3 to 4 minutes, then we can give it a quick stir and add our onion and garlic right back in and give it a good mix. Then we introduce our potato also. We make sure everything is stirred lightly until it's evenly coated. Then we add 2 cups of water. Then we add our lid to stew for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes is out, we can add a 1/4 cup of honey. Give it a light mix. Then we can cover this back again for 20 more minutes. Now let's check on it. Look how beautiful. It has reduced a lot. The sauce has thickened up. It's perfect. Now we simply pour it in our plate. Look how rich this looks. Awesome. Now let's give this a try. I think I'll start with the potato. Potato is nice and hot. Oh yes, it's falling apart. Very powdery. Absorb all the flavor. Now the chicken is perfect. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see today, make sure you check out our other All About Chicken playlist. Until next time, bye now.